Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to set up Facebook pixel web conversion tracking for view cart event with theme independent data layer or custom pixel for Shopify store by using of Google Tag Manager. So let's get started. Now we are landing in our Shopify store and we can see that in the customer events section our data layer is activated with our website. So I recommended you, if you do not watch our first video where we had connect our theme independent data layer for Shopify store. So if you do not watch this video, the link will be the description box. You can check it out. Then come back to this tutorial. So today we are set up our view cart event. So for view cart event, we are go to our cart option, and in the cart section we can see that our product are adding with the cart. So reload the cart page and right click on your mouse, go to inspect and console, and now we can see that our view cart event are showing here. Now we are expanded the data layer and also expanded the data layer option. Here we can find out the Facebook. And in the Facebook, we can see that we have to find out each and every event parameter in our theme independent data layer for Shopify store. We are see that we are adding the 3 products. So for that, our content ID parameter are showing the 3 content ID, and content name also show the all product name, and we have to find out the currency and value. That is the total value of the product. We are create the all of variables for view cart event, and I am also recommended that we are also set up view item and add to cart event for Shopify store. The link will be the description box. You can check it out from here. So let's get started for view cart event. So here go to Google Tag Manager and now go to the variable section and new variable configuration, data layer variable, and back to our theme independent data layer option. Firstly, you have to create the content ID. So according to the data layer, we have to copy the Facebook first, paste it, dot content ID, and just here paste the content ID, save it. Now we are open the content ID and copy the variable, and just to change this variable name, that is content name, and here we just change the content ID, copy the content name, and instead of content ID we have to adding content name. So our content name data layer are created. Now click the save button. So again click the new for another variable configuration, data layer variable, go to our data layer, copy the Facebook, again the same process, paste it, dot currency. So you'll copy the currency from the data layer, back to Google Tag Manager, paste it, just paste the variable name, save it. Again new variable configuration, data layer variable, and then copy the Facebook dot value, that is the total value for the view cart event, paste it and paste the value, save it. Now our last variable is content type, that will be the product group, because here we can see that not a single product, view cart event are providing the 3 product, so we have to put the product group. So copy the product group, back to Google Tag Manager, new variable configuration, data layer variable, and then we are just Facebook dot product group. So our last variable are almost created. Just click the save button. So we are creating all of required variable for our view cart event. Now time to create the trigger. So click the trigger, new trigger configuration, and that will be the custom event. Back to our data layer and find out the event names. You can see that as an event we have to find out the view cart. So copy the view cart from here and back to our Google Tag Manager, paste it, and just we giving the trigger name, that is event view cart, save it. So we are created all of required variables and triggers. Now time to create the tags. So click the tags, new tag configuration, and that will be the Facebook pixel template, and we have to adding the pixel ID which we are created in view item event, that is constant variable. So we are just adding our pixel ID, So adding the Facebook pixel, and event will be the wish list according to the Facebook event name. But our data layer are showing the view cart event. But that's not a problem. We are just adding the add to wish list according to the Facebook pixel template. And we have an option adding with our all of required parameter with the view cart event. So we are expanded the object properties and add property. So we are just giving the all property name. First one is content IDs, not ID. You have to implement the content IDs, and property will be the content IDs. And our second one is content name, and that will be also the content name which we are created before. Third one is value. We are just adding the value, and fourth one is currency. So we're adding the currency here, currency, and our last one is content type. So we are just adding the content type. So we do not find out the content type variable. So again, we have to create the new one. So click the plus sign, variable configuration, data layer variable, and back to our data layer. So copy the Facebook dot, that will be the content type. Here you can see that content type. So copy the content type here, content type, and variable will be the content type. Save it. That are adding with our property section. So finally adding the trigger. We are already created for the view cart event. You can see that event view cart, and tag will be the FB view cart. Save it. So we are almost done each and everything. Now click the submit button, because if you are using the theme independent data layer, and after all setup process, you have to submit it in the Google Tag Manager. So you now publish it, continue, workspace. Now we are reload our website, and again we are go to our cart page and go to Metapixel helper. Here you can see that our add to wish list event are showing in the Metapixel helper extension. If you expanded it, you can see that we have to find out each and every event parameter, content ID. There is a 3 content ID, and in the left side you can see that we have to adding 3 product, and content name we are find out each and every product which we are adding in the cart page, and content type will the product group, currency is the USD, and value 132. So now time to check in our Facebook event manager sections. Our event is showing in the test event, and also check out our all event parameter are showing here or not. So go to event manager. Here we can see that our add to wish list event showing in our test event in Facebook pixel in the event manager. So if you expanded the add to wish list, we can see that we have to find out our all event parameter which we are sending from our website. Here you can see that value, currency, and all product ID, type, and also the product name, and you can see that content name. So finally, we are successfully set up Facebook pixel web conversion tracking for view cart event with theme independent data layer, and you can see that custom pixel for Shopify store by using of Google Tag Manager. So thanks for watching this video. In the next video, I will show you how to set up beacon checkout event for theme independent data layer in Shopify store. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.